Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off call or message history customization service data collection on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. Next, in here, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. And then we go down and tap on privacy. Next, go down to the bottom and then tap on other privacy settings. Now in here, tap on customization service and then tap on data management. At the top here in mobile devices section, tap on call or message history phone. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now say stop collecting your call or message history on this phone. And then tap on the stop button to stop the data collection. Otherwise, you can switch it on. They are switched on by default. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.